Hello everyone, welcome to my channel No UPSC. This is your day 5 of 60 days NCERT challenge. Today we are going to understand the UPSC main syllabus of GS paper 3. It mainly focuses on economy, agriculture, science and tech, environment and ecology, disaster management, internal security. That's it. This paper tests your understanding of contemporary issues, government policies, and their impact on society and development. Let's understand its major sections. First is Indian economy. Indian economy, you will find in this economic growth and development budget and economy survey, inflation, banking and financial institutions, inclusive growth, government schemes, infrastructure, and investment models. In second section, agriculture, cropping patterns, irrigation system, agricultural marketing, food processing industries, agricultural reforms, and farmer related issues. Third is science and technology, developments in science and technology, space technology, biotechnology, artificial intelligence, robotics, IT, and communication technologies. Fourth is environment and ecology, biodiversity conservation, climate change, environment pollution, environmental impact assessment, sustainable development. Fifth is disaster management, natural disaster preparedness, risk reductions, uh, disaster response and recovery, institutional framework for disaster management. And lastly is internal security, terrorism, cyber security, border management, organized crime, money laundering, security challenges and solutions. That is therefore newspaper and government reports, PIB, economic survey become very important. Also, in newspaper magazines and current affairs, you're also the syllabus of GS paper 3 includes like technology, economic development, biodiversity, environment, security, and disaster management. So, your task for today is just write, just read, write, and learn the syllabus of GS paper 3. Also, have a crisp notes on GS paper 3. That's it for today. So, GS paper 3 is about understanding how economic, technological, environmental, and security issues affect the nation and society. That's it. So, having a crisp notes, you can include things like Indian economy, these things. You can just read this paper. I'll show. So, just stop the video and read this. That's it for today. We'll meet in our next day challenge. All the best.